I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to create engaging and informative infographics using Canva. Let's start by opening Canva. Once you're in, type infographic into the search bar. You'll see a wide range of templates to choose from. If you prefer total creative freedom, you can also start with a blank canvas and build your infographic from scratch. Next, choose a template that suits your project. Canva provides professionally designed layouts that are easy to customize. Look for one that fits your topic or has a color scheme and layout you like. These templates are fully editable, giving you the flexibility to change every element to match your vision. Now, it's time to add your data visualizations. Head over to the Elements tab and find the Charts section. If it's not visible right away, just click on More to explore all chart options. Canva offers over 20 chart types, including bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, donut charts, progress rings, and even pictograms. Simply drag your chosen chart onto the canvas. Click on it to open the data editor. You can input your data manually, upload a CSV file, or connect your chart directly to Google Sheets for real-time updates. Once your data is in, you can customize the chart's colors, labels, legends, and even the style of the data points to match your infographics theme. To make your infographic even more compelling, add icons, illustrations, or photos from Canva's huge library. These elements help communicate your message more effectively and make your design more visually engaging. Just drag and drop what you need onto the canvas, and arrange them in a way that supports your data without overwhelming it. As you design, keep a few best practices in mind. Maintain strong contrast between text and background for readability. Use white space effectively to avoid clutter, and stick to a consistent color palette and font style throughout. Proper alignment and balance are also key to a professional-looking layout. Once your infographic looks great, give it a final review. Make sure everything is readable, balanced, and visually appealing. Then you're ready to download it as an image or PDF, or share it directly to your social media or via a link. And that's it. You've just created an eye-catching, data-driven infographic using Canva. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of design tutorials you'd like to see next.